All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to part 2 of Bird Dog Whiskey Review. We got 5 this time to review for y'all. Oh, yeah. We got Bird Dog Chocolate, Bird Dog Blackberry, Bird Dog Apple, Bird Dog Praline, and Bird Dog Peanut Butter. Now, a mix that the lady at Black Bear Liquor in Tennessee told me was to mix the peanut butter with the chocolate, and she promises I would not regret it. So at the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and mix the two, and we will see how that tastes. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into these 5. Alright guys, so first on the try list, Bird Dog Blackberry. Definitely has a berry smell. Smells kind of more like raspberries than it does blackberries, so. That's all whiskey. With a berry aftertaste. That's whiskey. There's not a whole lot of blackberry there. All I taste is whiskey with like a berryish aftertaste. Really weak berryish aftertaste. So, we'll get a second one just to be sure. Yeah, that's all whiskey. So, let me cleanse the palate. Alright guys, next. Praline, whatever. If you know how to say that, say it in the comments section down below. Apparently it's coffee flavored dessert. Smells like coffee. Now look, I'm not a huge fan of coffee because it gives me the shits. I'll drink it if it's loaded up with sugar. Maybe spiked with a little Irish cream, but we weren't talking about that. Anyways, Bird Dog Praline. That tastes like black coffee with Irish cream. It's not horrible. Not horrible at all. Let me just go ahead and cleanse the palate. Alright, next on the list, we're going to do apple. I like how they change the dogs every so many flavors. I don't know if y'all have noticed that. Some of them have like Irish setters, and this one has a lab on it. That's fucking cool. Shout out to Bird Dog Whiskey. Ooh, smells like apples. That tastes like apple cider. Wholeheartedly, that tastes like apple cider. There's a slight whiskey aftertaste. That's apple cider. You need to keep this one away from me. I'm telling you. Let me cleanse the palate. That one's... Now, to be honest with you, ladies and gentlemen, I've done part 1 and 2 in the same hour. Not just night, the same hour. So, starting to get a little something. Yeah. Daisy wants to be a part of the video. Oh. She brought her toy up to me.
Which is a duck.
It's a duck. Actually, it's a chicken. It's a chicken! Anyways, back to the task at hand. Okay, so if you hear crunkling in the background, that's Daisy playing with her toy. So, now we're going to be trying Bird Dog Chocolate. Holy shit. smells just like chocolate. Like dark, dark chocolate. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's awful. Holy shit. The only chocolate you get is the aftertaste. Alright. Because I suffer for you guys, I'm going to try a second sip. It's worse the second sip. No. 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 I wasn't ready. I'm going to need another can of soda. Oh my God. That is awful! Guys, I need to take a minute because I have to go pee. If you want the God honest truth. So, give me 1 second. Guys, I'm going to use this pee break. You can obviously hear me peeing in the background. To tell y'all to please follow me on TikTok. Got a lot of funny shit on there. Hold on a minute. Shake more than twice, you're playing with yourself. Don't you worry, guys. I did not shake more than twice. So, let's get back to it. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, Bird Dog peanut butter. So, after I try this one, I'm going to rate them. And I'm going to mix Bird Dog peanut butter with Bird Dog chocolate, like the lady from Black Bear suggested. Look at this one. It has a chocolate lab. I'm just a hair litty titty. So, let's get this over with. Oh, God. It's like burnt peanut butter. I don't even know how to describe that. Oh, ugh. Ugh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I poked myself in the damn eye. Did you see that shit? Alright, guys, so my worst, definitely blackberry. That was god awful. I'm gonna finish it because I'm not gonna waste the money on it, but that was awful. So second, chocolate. Chocolate was awful. Third was peanut butter. This is what's making me dread the end of this video so much, because I'm gonna mix the peanut butter and the chocolate just to do a small shot for y'all, just like the lady asked me to do. So, last but certainly not least, I'm going to tell y'all my favorite between the apple and the praline. I think it's going to be pretty obvious. The reason I look back is because I wanted to double check, make sure I wasn't missing one. Pretty obvious. Apple. The apple is my favorite. Cheers to Bird Dog, dude. I'm not sponsored by Bird Dog Liquor. In no way, shape, or form. I'm simply doing a review on it. I picked it up when me and Tasha were in Tennessee. We never made a video of us going to Tennessee, but, you know, we went. So, Tasha is making me the shot of the mixture right now. This right here is the peanut butter and the chocolate. So, to finish off this video, I would definitely appreciate a like, comment, share. Make sure to get our shit out there. Cheers, guys. It is not any better together. No. 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 I'm not a whiskey person, guys. I like to cook with whiskey. That's about it. I'm a beer guy. I'm a vodka guy. So, see, Tasha just brought me a second fucking cola. Oh, guys, I like the sweeter things of Bird Dog. I don't like the darker things of Bird Dog. Please, try it for yourself. Leave a comment down below what y'all think. Which one's your favorite? If you've tried Bird Dog, let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said on my pee break, make sure to follow me on TikTok, Smokey Mower. Follow me on Instagram, Smokey Mower. Make sure to like, share, get my shit out there, guys, because without y'all, I couldn't do this shit. Thanks for watching. Peace.